You see that rain coming down? It's raining pretty hard. I didn't get a chance to do any radio talking today because it's been gloomy and rainy. And now, again, I hope you can see it. It's raining pretty good. This is shots of Cleveland, Ohio, but if you can see that street light and see all that rain coming down, you might be able to hear it. We got rain in the Buckeye State. Hopefully it cleans up for the week where I can get a few good contacts in on the radio. The cars are going through puddles of water. I'm pretty sure you could hear that rain, that water on the road. It's raining pretty good. I hope you can hear it. So this for all my radio buddies. Soldier Boy, 141 Canada. JG Mopar out there in California. That's Texas, California, and Canada. 21SC down there in South Carolina. All the guys around the world. Greetings from the Buckeye State where it's raining. As usual, thanks for watching Torpedo Heat TV, and have a good day.